Hi there, welcome to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and today I'm showing a 1962 Chevy Impala. Beautiful red on red. It is a manual transmission. Just doing a quick little walk around. Got a good 360 of the exterior. Now we'll take a look at the interior. Love the red on red. They seem to keep it pretty original. Looks like the stereo might have been updated, but it's still got that classic face on it, which is nice. Beautiful, beautiful interior. The leather is in great shape. Got the white roof. Very, very pretty. All right, next let's take a look at the engine bay. I'm gonna get it started and then we'll take a look. Stay tuned. Impala, taking it for a spin.
Feels very good.
Super smooth ride.
Yeah.
Come up around the corner, go through it one more time.